Good morning, guys, and welcome back to another video. This is my laundry room, and for those of you that haven't seen this, welcome. Today's project, I got the wire rack taken off of that wall. It was a really nasty, dirty wire rack. We've been here a year, and every time I come in here, it gives me anxiety because I know this place could be such a nice area. This room could be such a nice room to go into, and it's just not there. So the cabinets that I took out of the kitchen, I'm going to put one here and one here, and then we'll have maybe two, possibly three, probably two shelves in the middle. And then I would like to get the electrical possibly lowered. I don't exactly have a plan for that yet, or get pedestals for these two and get them lifted. So as you see, cabinets are up. This one was a problem. And when I say problem, I mean it was not fun. So I purposely put a 3-inch space here so there was access, and in case, God forbid, in case something gets put up there and rolls off, it doesn't get stuck. Yes, these are partially painted. Coming soon. And fully open, it doesn't touch, which is perfect. This was pure accident, but it worked out. All the way up. You can see, look at this. Oh boy. It doesn't touch anywhere. So I actually didn't measure anything like that. I kind of eyeballed the measurement of what was easily accessible for my 5'4" wife. Like I said, that was pure guesswork. It worked out in our favor. That's just insane how close it is. It's probably half of an inch. Not even, maybe a quarter of an inch. This side, perfectly in, no problem. Shelving is next. After that, we're going to paint the walls. Now, before you say anything, Eric, you should have painted before you did anything. You're probably right. I'm not going to lie. But we needed to patch these holes, which always comes before paint work. These two outlets, got to get them lowered. I would love to get this lowered, but I have no clue how to do that. Probably going to leave that right there. I do want to put like a mantle, kind of like we have right here in the living room, a mantle, maybe not as thick. This is about 12 inches, 8 to 10 inches. We'll put it that way. I don't know by putting it in here if that's going to be ideal. Same version, but it's a work in progress. Make sure you guys stay tuned. Make sure you're subscribed. Hit that like button. Drop a comment below to tell me what color we should paint this room. Right now it is a beige. Let me know in the comments below what we should do. Should we put shiplap on the back or beadboard, or what's your take? Tell me below. We'll see you guys on the next one.